Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. I'm going to take up our little FMS T28 800 millimeter. Got a 1200 milliamp 2S in her, which is what she calls for. Got as far forward as I can get her. Up elevator, down elevator, right, left, right. Uh-oh. Have no rudder because my well, motor off. Looky there. Nothing's connected. The little plastic pin has broken off that holds that, so I'll have to replace that. So we won't be flying that. Good thing I checked it. Good thing you did. That's exactly why you do a control service check before you take off. I would not want to fly without any rudder. All right, folks, there you go. Well, a lesson learned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And faith, family, and friends. Bye, y'all.